Microwave ovens are ubiquitous, but their origin is quite accidental. The unintended discovery of microwave cooking transformed food preparation. Today, we explore the innovative path of the microwave oven. Our journey begins with a radar experiment in the 1940s. Percy Spencer, a Raytheon engineer, worked with magnetrons for radar systems. One day, a chocolate bar in his pocket melted mysteriously. Spencer realized the magnetron emitted microwaves, capable of heating food. This accidental discovery sparked an innovative idea: microwave cooking. Raytheon quickly invested, recognizing the potential market. In 1947, the first microwave oven, the Radarange, debuted. It was huge, expensive, and required water cooling, costing around $5,000. Early adoption was slow due to the size and high price point. The Radarange stood nearly 6 feet tall and weighed 750 pounds. Despite its limitations, the concept was revolutionary. The 1950s saw smaller, more affordable models, yet skepticism remained. Concerns about radiation leaks and perceived health risks arose. Manufacturers addressed these concerns by improving safety features. Litton Industries acquired the microwave oven technology in 1960. They introduced a more compact design with a rotating turntable. This innovation ensured even heating and improved cooking performance. The Amana Radarange, a countertop model, became a household staple. By the 1970s, microwave ovens were gaining popularity rapidly. Convenience and speed became key selling points for consumers. Microwaves offered a quick and easy way to reheat leftovers. They also helped to prepare simple meals in minutes. Technological advancements further enhanced microwave capabilities. Features like power settings and defrost cycles became standard. The 1980s marked the peak of microwave oven adoption. Almost every household in developed countries owned one. Innovation continued with features like sensors and convection options. Sensors automatically adjusted cooking time based on food moisture. Convection microwaves combined microwave and convection cooking. This allowed for browning and crisping, similar to conventional ovens. Today, microwave ovens are an integral part of modern kitchens. They continue to evolve with smart features and improved energy efficiency. Modern microwaves can connect to the internet and be controlled remotely. They can even scan barcodes to automatically set cooking parameters. The microwave oven's accidental beginning highlights innovation's role. Percy Spencer's curiosity turned a mishap into a culinary revolution. The journey from bulky Radarange to smart ovens is remarkable. Microwaves showcase how unexpected discoveries can change lives. From wartime radar technology to kitchen mainstay, the story inspires. The evolution of the microwave truly demonstrates innovation's power. This kitchen appliance redefined convenience in food preparation. It also represents a significant leap in culinary technology. The microwave is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. Its story is a reminder that innovation often arises unexpectedly. Embrace the spirit of exploration and discovery in your kitchen. You never know what culinary breakthrough you might stumble upon. So, next time you use your microwave, appreciate its innovative journey. Remember Percy Spencer and his accidental, yet impactful, discovery. The microwave, a symbol of innovation heating up our world. Innovation transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary opportunities. The accidental discovery of the microwave changed the world of cooking. Explore the power of innovation in your daily life and recipes. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.